Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2005 Mercedes-Benz SL500, and we're going to be doing a alternator replacement on it, and that is the alternator. Let's get it. Did take that off too. I just pulled off. That ain't nothing to get off right there. Went ahead and moved that. You gotta lift this tab up and it'll unlock like that. Pull that out. Just want to move that to the side, get it out the way. And we get down here, we got a ratchet, 3/8 ratchet on there, 17 mil short socket. So we're gonna push down to release the tension. Take that out the way. Alright, so I got these bolts here, got them out. It's one at the top, one at the bottom. So what that is it's an external bolt, but you can put a 11 mil socket on that and it'll fit perfect. Alright, next you want to get down in here and with a pry bar and move the alternator. Alright, once we get it out, falls out like that. Now we can get those connectors back there, turn them around. Alright, 13 millimeter to get that bolt off for that power wire. See, I got the connector undone. Now we just gotta work our way up through here. We got to this point and I realized I may have to take the fan shroud out, or the fan itself. 10 mil here, 10 mil here. I'm hoping there's no more bolts at the bottom. But we do have this connector right here. Gotta squeeze it in and pull it out. In order to get this through, that right there is going to catch. It's both sides, but what I did was I cleared it. I pulled back on it this way and I cleared it that way. Got it through, and now I'm pulling it right out. And now we can get that alternator a lot easier. Alright. Might be the original Mercedes made by Bosch. Need some valve cover gaskets. Alright, we're going back in. And we got the connectors back on there. Alright, now this piece is going to be in the way. It's going to be tight. So you see I got it flush. I was able to push it back with these channel locks. Pushed it out. Now I can just slide it in position. Hopefully I can get through with the bottom one partially out. At least we can get that top one started, and then we can guide that one on in there. We can pretty much just do it like that, and it'll squeeze in position. Quick tip, what you can do, get down here, put your Put that right there. Pry bar, tap it, and it'll go down and push in position. So you can get that bolt in there. And we back in there. Everything tight. We're gonna put everything back together. And that alternator is replaced. That's it, man. I hope the video helped out. Until next time, Pull Up King.